name is Randy Legaspi, and I'm a co-investor in H-Town Elite Gymnastics. So I do everything that the coaches don't do. So anything back office related, facilities, front desk, HR, payroll, everything. This gym is a community. It's coached by international elite coaches that have coached at the Olympic level, was part of the Olympic team in China. So we have the best coaches in the area. We also invest in really good equipment, and that just doesn't apply here at the gym, but also applies to cutting tools. So that's why we thought about Sawblade.com to manufacture or create the stall bars that we have here, some of the subfloors that go underneath our mats. The Q700 is durable, it's lightweight, it's portable, it's compact, so it's a good tool for the gym. Because we're here at the gym all the time, we can't go to a brick and mortar store. We've got to order online. So ordering through Sawblade.com is very convenient. Gymnastics instills confidence in many other ways. It's really a journey. You're not going to learn how to play piano overnight and become a Mozart overnight. You have to practice. What excites me most about the future of H-Town Elite Gymnastics is the staying power of this gym. It's a growing community. The community has needs and wants, and we can meet those needs and wants for this year and for years to come.